So guys, ano ba itong Get Clean? So nag-canvas ako ng mga professional cleaners at marami na yan ngayon. Actually, on Facebook, you can search them a lot. Okay, but we have to find out who are legitimate cleaners and of course, yung may magandang packages. So what we did is, service na pinili ko ay deep cleaning. So deep cleaning will be yung mga talagang aabutin yung mga itaas, yung mga aging, and then they have their vacuum. So kasama din mga punas-punas and maybe polishing the walls. Okay? So actually, Miss Aiza and Miss Jacqueline, dumating naman sila on time. Medyo may delay, okay, but for a 30 square meter, it is required 3 hours deep cleaning. So let's check. Okay, security check muna tayo. So I asked for their names nung dumating sila, and of course, we saw that they're professionally dressed naman, and they have their cleaning materials. Okay, and of course, I asked for documentation like yung job request order, and of course, meron silang checklist ng materials, and dineclare naman nila yung kanilang mga things na dala-dala. Okay, so we are in the process of cleaning the house. Okay, let's check around.
Tapo na po ba yung mga boxes na wala po?
Tanggal naman nila yung mga mancha-mancha ng ulan o mga ganyan. So, yan. So, lahat ng maliliit na bagay talagang tinanggalan ng kalikutan. Okay? And even yung mga hanging lights ay kanilang nilinis. So, ayan. So, yan yung yung mga buo-buong alikabok. Okay. So, yung pala yun.
Opo.
So, yung shampoo. Ayan, thank you sa ating mga Get Clean cleaners, si Kuya Dominic, then si Angelique, then si
Angelica po.
Angelica, nakakalito kasi, and Miss Aiza. Okay. Ang galing nila maglinis.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
At ang bango ng bahay, very organized.
Thank
And
you.
I'm really
Thank you.
satisfied, and I hope we can do business again. Okay?
Thank you po.
Alright, please subscribe to my channel, #SweetCaroline. Thank you.